Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ruby Reviews. In today's video, we are going to share details about a new token project that is Dumbmoney. And here we can also show you each and everything will fully deep dive review. This video is for just educational review, and if you are new on my YouTube channel Ruby Reviews, you can subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. On the Dumbmoney project, this is the official website, link in video description, you can explore it. There you can also check first of all when it started a new GameStop. And here we can also get Wall Street a real taste what a Dumbmoney could do. This is not just about this show, it is also the bravery. And they're liquidating billions from Wall Street. Now it is also coming into the memes coin, and we are also going to join the ecosystem because of its struggle. There is also the tokenomics and total token supply you can check, with liquidity pool burning 100% and utility being dumb. And next you can also check, not just you can also join in just long term. This is also for being in short, you can also get by following 3 steps. First, you have to install Fundum. You can get some Solana from any exchange. You can swap Dumbmoney token from any, like in the Fundum wallet using. And next, you can check about PFP generator. There you can also upload the picture. It will convert into this movement. So there is also some other merch too you can easily get. So this video is also for just educational purpose only, with such a struggle that I have already shown you. And if you want to know further about their merch, that is also given here, what type you need. Actually, there are different shirt type and like for headband too. So you can also get here what is polyester and what are the material with that it has been created. You can easily come on the DEX screener now, where you can check a complete data. Yes, there is also the chart analysis that will show you how it has achieved a new VN. And this is also going to becoming a next movement too. And here is also the token details. On the Solana, this has been created peer with the official website, Twitter and Telegram social media links. You can also get in USD price as well in Solana, and $4.1 million as market cap. This has been achieved in a progressive way, and more, their community is also expanding to global level. And next you can also come to the some document that will show you the status and some more details about LLC. Yes, there is also DM LLC. It's about the project that has been activated, where it has been situated. You can also check their main office details too. Mailing address already have been attached. You can also explore like this information, and you come on the official Twitter, you will get some more details. Seizing on Dumbmoney token, this is also about the gaming too. And there next is about how excited its collaboration. There you can also check about Dumbmoney official Twitter, and there you can also find about their community. You can be one of the community member too. If you have any question, you can ask in a combo. See you next video. Till then, take care and enjoy this content with your friends too.